ladies and gentlemen, we have a very special project about to start here at our shop at Garage Defend and JDM Global. And this project is going to be in collaboration with the JDM Masters, and the master himself, Abdul, today is at the shop.
Good to see you again. Take care.
Welcome back, Abdul. This is a special project that you thought about, right? Can you tell us a little bit about the project we're about to start?
As you know, we've done many projects together with Garage Defend. We've done Nismo CRSs, we have done Mines cars, we have done Midori cars, and I think it's time we wanted to do a special car ourselves and show you what we could do. Please show us the car that you have selected for this project.
So the car we selected, it was, by the way, this time comes from the auctions, USS Tokyo. The car Abdul was grade 4.5B, absolutely no rust issues, exterior beautiful condition, and the car has under 100,000 kilometers and relatively very much stock, except for a few very, very interesting and exciting upgrades. But again, the car had to be stock, right, Abdul?
Correct. Stock, and like you said, it's a high grade 4.5. Tell us more about the body, the condition of this car.
Of course, repair free, beautiful condition. And this thing is going to be torn down, like completely dismantled, and soon we will be putting it back together. And Abdul brought a lot of parts for that to be done, right?
Let's go through these parts.
Like to give a quick introduction about the parts?
Yes, we have dry carbon fiber parts from Australia here this time. As you know, Garage Yoshida was here earlier and he checked out these parts and he was really impressed by the quality of these parts.
And quickly guys, we are doing this project in collaboration with Garage Yoshida as well, so we are about to select top shops to do that. And when we called in Garage Yoshida, he was inspecting the car. He was impressed. He was like, this clean car, you sure you want to redo everything on that car?
Exactly right.
And he was inspecting the carbon parts Abdul brought and he was like, wow.
He was really impressed with these parts this time. Now moving forwards, we got the LMGTs, of course. We got the choice of the center caps, which is over there. So we got the exhaust shield, we got the cooling panel, we got the airbox, pipings.
You got a lot of Nismo parts.
A lot of Nismo parts. Nismo parts now, it's just absolutely hard. I'm not gonna say it's a nightmare, but it's hard to get your part on.
And talking about the parts, I have to point this out, man. He's the biggest parts collector in the world when it comes to GTR 34s.
There's a lot of parts going on this car. It's gonna be special. Also, we have Chia from PowerTune coming to tune this car. It's going to be running a Motex system. Also, he'll have a hand to build this car.
Abdul, this is going to be super exciting. So all the parts, all the body work is going to be done at Yoshida, and all the engine related works is going to be done by
PowerTune.
PowerTune Australia, brother. Yeah.
So look, this will be a fantastic car. With all the projects that we worked with Mori, with Mines, and we know what needs to be done and how it needs to be done, and we know what power to put out. So we're really looking forward for this car. It's going to be a fantastic build.
I'm super excited. And over the next 5 to 6 months, I think you should be able to finish up the project,
Yes, 5 to 6 months.
So, ladies and gents, just to point out, we are recording this movie in January 2025. And by the middle or late 2025, you'll have this beautiful KR4 GTR 34 turned and KAD, similar to Nismo CRS, but in that particular color. She's be on the road, roaring, and
we're going to make some video and some photo shoots of before and after.
Absolutely.
And we'll leave that for the time and we'll go from there.
So stay tuned.
Always a pleasure.
And guys, I mean, using this opportunity, Abdul, we have some really cool GTR 34s at the back. Shall we give a quick shout out for that as well?
No worries. We've got the Mines Midnight Purple 3. There'll be a special video on this car soon. Also another Midnight Purple 3 over here, which is really hard to get these days. Midnight Purple 3 is the most wanted color.
It's only 132 units made in Vspec edition, and
especially with the Z-Tune bonnet, which is absolutely difficult to get your hand on. So a video will be coming out soon on that car. Wouldn't it be this time?
Super excited. Yes, this car just arrived back. Guys, if you notice, we have the black GTR 34 over there, the Midnight Purple 3, another Midnight Purple 3, and we have a bunch of other cars. And those cars come with full Nismo arrows, and that one's with the, of course, LMGT4s as well. The arrow is going to be very much similar to that, right?
Correct.
But we have a lot more things to do. Abdul wants to add a lot more parts. It's just this is the ones that he could bring to the shop for now at the time of us making this movie, and that was a really quick idea. And guys, talking about project cars, this project car has just been completed. Abdul, can I give a quick shout out on this car?
Go ahead.
Because I'm super excited. I tell you what,
go ahead.
This is, guys, Midnight Purple 3 Vspec GTR 34, and this is one of the rarest colors that you can find. And we found this car, and thanks to Abdul, we got that car fully restored at Garage Yoshida. Yoshida-san was just earlier here delivering the car in person. And of course, after restoring the car at Garage Yoshida, come take a look at this. we took the car to all famous Mines to get that completely converted to Mines GTR 34. Take a look at the interior. We still have a lot more to do on the interior, but the moment you open the door, it smells like a brand new car. Full Alcantara, including the roofs and everything else. Door panels, everything is redone. And most fun part of the car is right under the bonnet. And Abdul, you want to give a quick shout out for this one?
Yes, 2.8 litre HKS high response engine. Always the best engine to have in this car.
And this is Mines complete as well, 2.8 litre. This is the best you can get from the Mines, and it's been fully done at Mines. And man, this is extraordinary special project.
A special video will be coming out on this car.
And Mr. JDM Masters here with his order. This project is complete, and he'll be making a special movie about it, right?
Yes, very soon, very soon.
And talking about GTR 34s, it's my pleasure actually to give a quick shout out for other cars that we have, Abdul. Let me use this opportunity real quick. Is that okay? So guys, if you are in the market for a special GTR 34, we are always here. We can definitely get one built for you. And talking about that, we have a super special GTR 34 just arrived.
What's the deal with
and that is Base Blue GTR 34 in Vspec edition, but this thing comes with a special upgrade. Although it's relatively stock, it comes with, as you guys can see, that very smooth and awesome Vspec 2 bonnet. It's carbon bonnet. Although, I mean, stock bonnets usually cost $1,000, which V-Specs come with. I mean, and the V-Spec 2 bonnet just like this, only made by the factory, is more than $10,000 at any given day in Japan. So this is a very cool upgrade. We have a special LMGT4s as well, very expensive, looks beautiful. And this car at the moment as we speak is being prepared for sale. One owner, all documents available, 37,000 kilometers, very low mileage, absolutely beautiful. So if you're in the market for a car like that, this might be it. This might be it. And we have some cool toys. White GTR 34 available for sale. And of course, all legendary, all famous Nissan Skyline Hakosuka. This thing is the most favorite out here. She is 50 plus years old, as she is manufactured in 1970s. And this is what made Skyline actually a Skyline. If we get a chance, we will be making a special movie about that on its own. But with that being said, this was a quick collaboration project introduction video for you guys. And we thought of making this movie just 20 minutes ago. So it's gonna be super exciting. Abdul, right? This is gonna be, bro, I'm so excited for this project. You have no idea.
It will be something special once it's finished this time. That's definitely, we can guarantee that. And it's gonna have the looks and it's gonna have the power.
I'm super excited. Hey man, in 3 months from now, Yoshida-san is going to completely restore the car with the KAD color, full Nismo arrows, everything is done. And by the way, Chia from Australia,
Powertune
Australia, he's coming down tomorrow with his equipment to actually start works on the car. This is going to be really a fast project,
yes.
right?
Chia will be...
How long did it take for that Mines project to be complete with Yoshida?
More than, with Yoshida and Mines, or just Yoshida this time?
Yoshida and Mines, incomplete.
More than 2 years.
More than 2 years. But our project, we are speeding up everything. Boom, boom, ba. Right, Abdul?
That's right. Everything's will be flowing. The motor, the bodywork, the parts, and this project will be really awesome once it's done.
Abdul, I'm super excited. Thank you for your time to make this movie. It's always exciting to welcome you here at the shop and make special projects with you. Abdul is the one actually who get into us making it a very special project, and I'm super proud. We have done a lot of movies with Abdul, and he is the best when it comes to Australia, and we are the top when it comes to Japan, right, Abdul?
Thank you very much.
So let's put that together and come up with a very special Garage Defend JDM Global GTR 34 V-Spec.
Thank you.
Everyone, thanks for your time. Stay tuned for more updates coming out over the next few months on this project. And by the way, once everything is complete, Abdul, this car is going to become available for what?
For sale.
For sale. So if you're someone who is super excited about special project cars done with love here at JDM Global Garage Defend and JDM Masters and Garage Yoshida in Powertown, Australia, hey man, this car can be yours. Right, Abdul?
That's right.
Stay tuned. Thank you. And we look forward to seeing you in the next videos to come as well. Ladies and gents, cheers.
Australia coming here, showing us his Motec setup, the special project coming up.
今回はこの車両、R35 のダークメタルグレー KAD にオールペイントして、フロント周りは G チューン仕様で、エンジンルームも同じく KAD に塗装してます。下回りもサスペンションとか気になるところパウダーコートして綺麗にしてますんで、いい感じに仕上がってると思います。